Welcome to our class also. This is the class where we are going to learn on mathematics on the chapter 1 current set. What is a set? A set is a well-defined a collection, a distinct objective. In a set, let's keep in mind that a set it's like a group of a thing or an object. So in a set there is what we call universal. It's a whole group. It's a kind of a group or a collection of something. It may be people, it may be another thing. So in a group we have what we call intersection, belong in more than one group or three. That is what we call intersection. There is a union. Union is the number of the whole in subset. Is a whole number which contain in subset. There is what we call a complement. A complement are a number or a group of a thing which does not belong in any subset but belong in our universe, our universe, which is called a complement. There is a notation which indicates that numbers which are a complement. So let's start by practical example here, and you will see what we have talked before. So let's start by practical examples. Here, this is how we start. We have a group of the students, our universe. Universal contains 40 students. 40 students. 21. We study. P. This P stands for physics. 23. Study chemistry and 33. Study mathematics, this M, and also 18 students study both M and physics. 10 study physics and chemistry. 17 study chemistry and mathematics. So here we are asked to determine, or we are asked to represent that information in the Venn diagram. So let's see how we can represent this information by using a Venn diagram. So here, let's see how we can use a Venn diagram to represent this information. So here, let's keep more. This is M equal to 33. This is P equal to 21. This is C equal to 23. Here we have, let's say the number which represented which indicates the participants in all three subjects be y. That's y light here. Then here we have 18 negative y. Here we have 17 negative y. Here we have 10 negative y. And also let's find by using the equations. Represent the number who participates in mathematics only. So let's see how we can represent that information here. This is how we keep going. 33 negative 18 negative y negative positive 17 negative y positive y equal to how many here? 33 negative 18 positive y negative 17 positive y negative y. So here, this y and this y will cancel out. So here we have 33 negative 35 positive y equal to how many? So here we will have negative 2 positive y. This is the same as y negative 2. This is how we get the equation 1 for mathematics. Here we have y negative 2. So let's see the number who participates in physics. The number who participates in physics. So we have 21 negative 21 negative 18 post negative 18 post negative y positive 10 negative y positive y again. So equal to how many? Here we have 21 negative 18 positive y negative 10 positive y negative y equal to how many? So here we have 21 negative 28 positive y equal to how many? Here we have negative 7 positive y. This is also the same as y negative 7. This is the equation for physics. Equation for physics. We have 7. We have y negative 7. So let's see the number who participates in the equation which represented the number who participates in chemistry. So here we have 23 negative entre parenthèses chemistry 7 negative y positive 10 negative y positive y equal to how many? So here we have 23 negative 17 positive y, negative 10, positive y, negative y, equal to how many? Here we have 23, negative 27, positive y. So this is the equation, positive y. So here we have 23, here we have y negative 4. Y negative 4. This is equation which represents the number who participates in physics. So y negative 4. So we are asked to determine the number who participates in mathematics, the number who does not participate in physics. So what we are going to do here, we will need to determine the intersection of all three subjects in order to get the number who participates in mathematics only and the number who does not participate in physics. Let's see, determine that intersection for all three subjects. By using our equation which have been found before, so we may get the intersection for all three subjects. Let's go. Y negative 2, y negative 2 positive, y negative 7 positive, y negative 4 positive, y, this is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have a 4, y negative, this is negative 2, negative 7, negative 9, negative 13, negative 13, negative 13. This is one equation. We combine those equations, then we find the answer. So here we have 18, negative y, positive, 10, negative y, positive 17, negative y. This is equal to how many? So here we have 28 plus 17 equal to 45. Here we have 3, 1, 2, 3, 3y positive 45. So let's combine in order to get the whole, our universal set, and if we can see the universal what we have given before. So let's see how we find our answer. So here we have 4y, here we have a negative, we have a 4y, negative 3y, negative 13, positive 45, equal to 40. So here you see that we have 1y, our equation equal to 1y. Here we have a y positive 32, equal to 40. So here our y will be equal to 40 negative 32. Our y will be equal to 8. This is the number who participates in all three subjects. By having that number, we may find the number who participates in mathematics only and the number who does not participate in physics by using our equations. So let's replace the y by its value. So here we have 6. Here we will have 10. Here we will have 8. Here we will have 9. Here we will have 2, and also here we have 1. The last 3, here we have 4, according to what we found in our equation. So this is how can be represented by using the Venn diagram. If we wanted to calculate the number who participate in physics, in mathematics only, is a 6 only. The number who does not participate in physics, we have 6 positive 9 positive 4. Here, this is the number. The number who does not participate in physics are the number who participates in physics 6 positive 9 positive 4 equal to 15 19. This is the number who does not participate in physics. So I think this is how our Venn diagram help us to find those number who participates in each subject. So for more understanding, for getting clear, so let's do another example for confirming that we have seen all kinds of the sets or some sets which seems like somehow complicated and see. So let's have another example for more. So here we have also we have given a Venn diagram. We are asked to determine the sum of unknown number. Here we have a Venn diagram. Our Venn diagram. This is the Venn diagram. This is our universal set. Our universal set. So here we have A stands for academic. A stands for academic, which is equal to 8. P, here we have P equal to 8. This P stands for production. And also here we have F. This F stands for finance. This is equal to 7. And also, as we have said in the previous explanations, so we have talked about what is called the complements. Here we have a complements. This complements does not belong in any subset among the three we have here. So here we have y. Here we have z, and also here we have x. Here we have x, and also here we have 2, and also here we have 2 again, 1 here, and 2 as intersection for all three objects. So we are asked to determine the value for x, the value for y, and also the value for z. So after calculating those values, we are also asked to determine the total member of these boards. So this is it's like a board, finance, production, and the academic. So this is that is what we call a board. We are asked to determine the total member contains in a board. After finding each member, we will have to determine the member contains the board. So here, this is how we are going to start. Let's start. Here we have by academic A equal to x, A equal to x plus y plus 2 plus 2 again plus 4 equal to 8. Here also we have P equation for P. Here we have x equation for P, x plus z plus 2 plus 2 again equal 4. This is equal to 8. So here we have equation for finance. Here we have finance. Here we have y positive z positive 3. This is equal to 7. So that is the three kinds of the equations we have. We are asked to determine the unknown number x, y, and also z. So let's see how we can determine those three unknowns. Here we have x. We have x plus y will be equal to 8 minus 4. This will be equal to x plus y equal to 4. This is equation for academic. Here we have also x plus z will be equal to equation for academic. We have x plus z, Let's enlarge it to make it clear. X plus z equal to 8 minus 4. This is also equal to x plus z equal to 4. Here we have equation. Lastly, for finance, we have y positive z equal to 7 negative 3. Y plus z equal to 4. That is the three kinds of the equation we have. So let's determine one. Let's find our unknown. So here we have x plus y equal to 4, and also we have x plus z equal to 4 also, and y plus z equal to 4 again. So let's take our equation 1 and make x as a subject of equation. So let's see how we can do. Let's make x as a subject of equation. So here we have x equal to 4 minus y. We will substitute this equation. This is equation 4. This is equation 4. This is equation 4. So we will substitute in equation 5 here, and then we calculate the value. So here we have x plus y. We have x plus y. So let's make sorry. Let's make y as a subject of equation. Make y as a subject of equation. Let's make y as a subject of equation. Here we have y will be equal to x minus 4 minus x. So let's this our equation, replace it into our 4 equation. Let's y replace its value. So let's see how we can do in 5. This is equation 4. This is equation 4. This is equation 5. This is equation 5. So let's see how we can replace the value of y. Here we have x. We have 4. This equation will be x plus z equal to 4. Here we have 4 minus x. Let's write it somehow clear. This is equal to 4 with the x. Here we have x. This will be equal to x. Will be equal to 4. We have a 4 here, then minus x equal to 4, which is equal to y. Will be equal to this is equation 4. This is the y for replace it in its value positive z. This is how we can write equal to 0. This will be equal to 0 because here we have a 4. Here we have here our equation will be equal to 4. This will be equal to 4. Let's write it clear here with the x positive z equal to 4. So here we have z with the minus x plus z here plus z equal to 4 x plus z here minus 4, which is equal to 0. Our equation will be equal to, let's see, our equation will be equal to, here will be equal to x plus z equal to 4. Here we have negative x positive z equal to 0. So here we are going to use the method which carried elimination method to find the value for x or x for y, which helps us to find the value of 1 among the 3 we have here. Will help us also to find the value for each x, y, and z. So here we will use a method which is carried elimination. So let's put here 1 and also here 1. Here 1. So what is gonna be here? We will have this x and this x will cancel. Here we will have 2z equal to 4. Z will be equal to 4 over 2, which is 2. This is the value for z. This is the value for z. This is the value for z. By having the value for z, we can determine the value for y. And the x also, the value for z is equal to 2 here. So let's replace the value for z in this equation to get the value for y. Here we have y positive 2, which is equal to 4. Y will be equal to 4 negative 2. Y equal to 2. Also, y its value is 2. Let's replace it according to what we are seeing. If we replace the value of y by its value, and also x will be equal to 2. X will be equal to 2 also. So this means that we have already determined all 3 subjects. The unknown number have already found. So here x equal to 2, z equal to 2, y equal to 2. So the second question we are asked to determine the total number which contains the board. So here, if we have a 2 here, if we have it, let's say replace the value by in the Venn diagram by its value. Here we have x. Here we have x2, which is equal to 2. Y also is equal to 2. Z also is equal to 2. By using the Venn diagram, this is how the information, some unknowns and unknowns must be represented by using the diagram. So let's find the total number which contains the board. The total number which contains the board. Here we have 2 positive, 2 positive, 2 positive, 2 positive, 2 positive, 2 positive, 1 positive, 2. The complements, because it also contains the board. Even it doesn't appear in any subset we have here, but it is also the number which contains our universe or contains the board. So let's see the number, the total number. Here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10. I have a 10. We have 10. We have 14. We have 15. The total number of four contains the board are equal to 15. This is the number which contains the board. This is the number contains the board. If we are asked the number which contains the one board which contains in academic does not contains in production. So here we have 2. If we ask to determine the number who does not participate in production, so we will take this number who does not participate in production. We take this number here. We will come in this way, also up to here. So you will include also this one, these two, which is out of our subset. So the number which does not belong to the production is in these two subsets by using our Venn diagram. How I have come in this way, in this set, So this number does not contribute to the production, and also this does not contribute in the production. So the number who contains the board is also that 15 people, if it is a people, if it is a what. So it depends on the something you want to call them. So this is the end of our class today, and I will be grateful to see you making like, comments, share, and also you may raise your suggestion. So I will see you in the comment section. See you. Have good time.